Good afternoon. Myself Sai Shankar, currently acting as the automation test architect with Optisol. Heard that you have few questions regarding Optisol testing services. I hope I can answer them for you.
Yeah. So thanks for calling me, Sai. So yes, I do have few questions, and so I just want to know about some testing service which you are providing at Optisol. So in order to getting start, can you please tell me some basic overview about the testing services which you are providing at Optisol?
Sure. So Optisol, actually we started it as a IT services firm offering digital solutions for startups and enterprises. We were experts in custom web and mobile applications, both design and development of artificial intelligence and product implementations, including the first level of testing, that is the unit testing for the clients. Now we have moved towards testing as a service, which means TaaS, TaaS, by providing enormous testing benefits as an outsourcing model. So Optisol testing services provide secure software delivery at the speed of DevOps and by integrating security into the entire software system. So we do this testing in multiple applications like mobile, website, security, load, API, accessibility, etc. So testing as a service is an on-demand testing capability delivery model that offers faster provisioning of services with lower cost. It's a standardized model with predictable and reliable outcome. So that's more about the testing services which we follow at Optisol.
Okay, that's great, Sai. Thanks for the quick overview. And what do we do in manual and automation testing, Sai? Can you please explain?
Uh, sure. I'll help you with that. So, as part of Optisol testing services, we do both manual and automation testing. Manual, in other words, testing both functional and non-functional features of application under test through all the stages of testing, like unit integration system, UAT, which means user acceptance testing, release and deployment phases as well, by different testing execution types like white box, black box, and gray box testing. And coming to automation testing, in other words, test automation is a software testing technique that performs using several different automated testing tools which are available in the market to test the case of suits. And as part of, instead of manual and automation, we also do a load testing variant, which is covered as part of this testing services module. So by analyzing the requirements and preparing the test plan, test scenarios, cases, automation strategy, we cover all the planning, designing, and development modules. So we have a testing center of excellence to prepare, establish, consolidate, and operationalize the test scripts and tests individually.
Okay, that's awesome. Uh, so, Sai, and
Mhm.
what are the types of automation tools you guys are providing services at Optical?
Uh, Coming to automation tools, there are tons of functional and regression testing tools available in the market currently. And we at Optisol have few tools certified by our experts here. I'll give you a few of them, like Selenium with Java and Python, also Ruby as a framework, and Microsoft UFT with VB scripting, and LeanFT with Java, and the recent one, the Test Complete, Smart Bear Test Complete with scripting knowledge on JavaScript, Python, and VB scripting. And we also have our own tool called RapidBots. So there is a separate team who developed it and maintaining it. So RapidBots is also one of the automation tools. Along with these, we have expertise with few performance tools as well, like Micro Focus Load Runner, Apache JMeter, Neoload, etc. So we have expertise on all these tools. Bala.
Okay, that's really a great thing, Sai. Thanks for that.
Yeah.
And do we have any existing engagement model which is being followed at Optizol?
As part of engagement model, we mostly support managed testing services, which will cover all activities in testing project, including the enterprise testing process. At the beginning, the customer and service provider, the service provider, which is we, discuss what, when, and how of the projects, as well as who are going to do this in this way. So managed testing services is recommended when the testing topics is complex and requirements coordinating several parties. So all of them which requires resources and expertise that the customer may not have. So we provide those things. Yes, we do have an engagement model.
Beautiful. So, Sai, one more question. So, in security perspective, where do you guys store and maintain all your documents and access and other controls? So, where are you maintaining it and storing it?
Sure. So documents, like we have multiple documents, few as like requirement, functional design, and reporting template documents, which are prepared by the client. And coming to our end, we prepare few of them like test plan, test strategy, and test summary report documents as such. So from the access point of view, application access, database access, SharePoint, team repositories, and MS team repositories, and test management tools like Confluence, version control tools, all these things. So for all these things we use, all these tools we use to store our documents and access them with proper access restrictions based on the client and user privileges individually. And coming to other things like test scripts, we'll store them in repositories like GitHub, Bitbucket, GitLab, etc. And we do version controlling them using we do version control all these repositories using the tools like Git, Tortoise, etc. And we also do automation scheduling as well to control and maintain these test cases and all these test documents. So we do all these type of things using Jenkins, Azure DevOps, based on the customer approach and licensing what they have currently at that point of time for that specific project. So it depends. We do have multiple things like that.
Okay. That's interesting. Yeah. So wonderful, Sai. So thanks for detailing the testing service coding, and I'm very much impressed. And, nice talking with you. Thank you.
No problem. The pleasure was mine. And we also mainly focus on few other things like client expectations and all. So I just want to conclude with this. So consumer satisfaction henceforth turns into a key prerequisite for us. When we are committed and genuine about taking care of client expectations and demands, then you should have a devoted group of expertise, all those things. So yeah, we take care of client expectations, and their satisfaction is priority to us.
Yeah. That's really a good thing. Thanks for that.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, Sai.
So it was nice speaking with you too. Thank you.
Nice talking with you. Bye.
Bye.